Hey, this is Matt Anderson. This is my balancing for quiz number 2. So with this first equation, I noticed the hydrogen had a subscript of 6 first, so that was the bigger number. That's the one I wanted to balance first. So on this side of the equation, I have two subscript of 2 hydrogen, so I needed a 3 in the coefficient in order to balance that. Then that 3 though would give me 3 oxygen here, and then I wanted to balance the carbon next, so I had 2 on the left side, so I needed a 2 on the right, and then that left me with 2 times 2, 4 oxygen plus 3 times the imaginary 1, 3, 4, that gives me 7. On this side I had the solo oxygen, and then this 2 which I needed to balance out. So coefficient of 3 times the 2 gives me 6, plus the solo equals 7. And I just check my work. 2 carbon on each side, 6 hydrogen on each side, 7 oxygen. For the next one, it was a little more daunting, or looked that way. So I just started left to right. So with calcium, I went across 1 calcium, so that made that easy. 2 chlorine, and I only had the 1 chlorine on this side, so I added the coefficient of 2, which then bumped my sodium up to 2. So then, again, left to right, I added a coefficient of 2 to get this sodium equal. And then from there, just applied that same coefficient to the rest, 2 hydrogen, 2 carbon, 6 oxygen. And luckily, with the rest of the formula, that balanced everything out. So got my checks. Calcium, 1 on each, and then the chlorine, sodium, hydrogen, and carbon were all 2 on each side. And then the oxygen was, with this coefficient being 2 times the 3, 6. And then we've got the 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is my balance for quiz number 2.